Oh no! You made a mistake. Maybe you broke something. Maybe you forgot something. Maybe you said the wrong word in English. Or maybe you made someone upset. Your heart feels heavy. Your mind starts racing. What did I just do? You feel bad. You feel nervous. You feel like running away. But wait. Take a deep breath. Mistakes happen to everyone. Don't panic. Don't shout at yourself. And please, don't say, "I'm so stupid." Because you are not. You are not stupid. You are not a failure. You are a human being, and human beings make mistakes. So, what do we do now? The first step is this. Relax and think. Don't run. Don't hide. Just pause. Ask yourself, what went wrong? Why did it happen? What can I learn from this? This is not to blame yourself. No. This is to understand what really happened so you can learn and grow. Now think, did your mistake hurt someone? Maybe you said something unkind. Maybe you forgot a promise. It's okay. These things happen, but don't wait. Don't hide, just walk up to the person. Look them in the eyes and say, "I'm sorry." Say it with feeling. Say it from the heart. A real sorry, a soft, honest sorry can fix many things. When you say sorry, something magical happens. The other person feels better. You feel lighter, and the mistake becomes smaller. Because now it becomes a moment of connection, not of pain. Now comes the most powerful part, learning. Ask yourself, what can I do next time to avoid this mistake? If you forgot something, write it down. If you didn't understand something, ask someone for help. If you said the wrong word in English, don't feel bad. That's how learning works. Many English learners feel scared to speak. They say the wrong word and feel embarrassed. But guess what? That wrong word is a teacher. That small mistake is a helper. It shows you what you don't know, so you can learn it now. So if you say goed instead of went, or he don't instead of he doesn't, it's okay. Smile and correct it. You are learning, and learning is never perfect. Did you know? Every great person made many mistakes. Albert Einstein failed many times. Thomas Edison made over 1,000 mistakes before he made the light bulb. Oprah Winfrey was once told she was unfit for television. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, but none of them gave up. They kept going. They kept learning. They didn't say, "I failed." They said, "I will try again." Every mistake is a step on the path to success. You try, you fail. You learn. You grow. You succeed. So don't stop at the first mistake. Keep walking. Keep climbing. You are going somewhere wonderful. One day, someone else will make the same mistake you made. They will feel sad, and you will say, "I made that mistake too, but it's okay. I learned from it, and you will help them." Because your mistake helped you understand someone else's pain. So next time you make a mistake, don't cry. Don't give up. Just smile a little. Say, "Yes, I made a mistake, but now I am one step better than before," because that's the truth. You are better now. You are wiser now. You are stronger now. Start keeping a journal. Write your mistakes. Write your lessons. Make each mistake your teacher. Make each lesson your power. Mistakes are not the end. They are the beginning of growth. So always remember, don't panic. Say sorry if needed. Learn from it. Try again. Mistakes don't make you weak. How you handle them, that's what makes you strong. So go ahead, make mistakes. Learn from them. And shine even brighter than before. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Learn. Grow. Try again. You've got this.